This is an Alberta emergency alert. Calgary Police Service has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. Calgary Police have issued an Amber Alert for the abduction of a female child today, July 11th, from the 1000 block of Panamount Boulevard North West, Calgary. The abducted child is Taliyah, Leigh, MARSMAN, age 5, a mixed-race female, slim build, brown curly hair, and brown eyes. Her clothing is unknown. The child is believed to have been abducted by an unknown person. Of interest is a white, 2016, Ford Fusion, 4-door car, Alberta plate HKE 314. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the Calgary Police Service at 4035-326-237, or your local police service if you have any information. For details visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.